Once you get your 6 by 6 square paper, we're very lightly going to draw diagonals from the corners to find the center of your square paper. These will be guidelines that help us line up our name triangle. The longest edge is what actually gets lined up on those lines. This is how it would go. But we must put it underneath so we can see through to trace it. We need to be able to line up the center, so if you want to go ahead and add a little dot on your corners, that can be helpful as well. Really make sure that you take your time to line this up well before you start tracing it in your pencil. Don't worry too much if it's perfect. When it's all traced out, you can go back and fix any areas that need fixing. When you're done tracing it for the first time, it's time to flip it. You are flipping it right now across your longest edge. So when you see it underneath, you should be making a mirror image every single time. So double check that you have it flipped the correct way before you start outlining. When you're done outlining, you will go back and erase those guidelines, but I also like to erase any kind of line that makes my letters separate, disconnected letters. I like it to look like it's all connected, like it's one large piece. Here I'm going to show you how this would just reflect all the way around. You just keep flipping it so it would make a mirror image. Now that I have it all sketched out lightly in pencils, I am going to erase those guidelines, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to fix and connect anything that may have traced kind of odd. So I'm going to go back and kind of fix any of these areas, erase any other lines I don't want, so it's just ready for the next step.